Good morning, all. I hope you guys are doing great. Student, today topic is basically text animation for motion graphics, and we can use particular these things 3ds Max, and how to create a text in 3ds Max, and how to animate and create a motion for particular this text and animate this text, and finally output for motion graphics in 3ds software. Okay, now first open your software 3ds Max, and we can create a text for title and any other things. Okay, now what we do here is the text plus option. Click on it. First you go to geometry, create and geometry standard parameters, and here is object type text and text plus. Okay, go to a front view and create a text. Simply click on front view and go to a text, change your text title. I can use GHU. Okay, then go to modifier, and here is the option to create text different formats, size and other things. Okay, so go to perspective view, alt W, maximize viewport. Okay, and here is the extrude. We can use extrude for particular this text. Okay, can use like this. Okay, then press J for hide the selection. Simple. Okay, then go to standard parameters, and we can use box and select box type cube. Okay, simply click and drag cube. Okay, then go to a front or top view. We can manage cube according to particular this text. Okay, press R and resize your cube. And we can place our cube according to text. Okay, this is important. Okay, when we select cube, create cube, then go to a select cube, and here is the option again create geometry, and click on standard parameters option here, and we have a use of compound object. Okay, select compound object, and here is the option scatter. Okay, select scatter, then pick distribution objects. Okay, select this one and go to a text and select text. Okay, when we select text, our object simply apply with text. Then go to down menu, and here is the option source object parameters. We can increase the number of source objective around box. Okay, we can use 200. We can use more than 200. Okay, now the scale size according to text we can increase and manage our cube size. Okay, and we can use around 40 is the okay, we can use 40 size. Then go to distribution using area. We can use select area, our object cube distribute according to area. We can even option, we can other options here, random phase, long edges, and here is the vertex. We can use all vertex. We can use some different types of options to create basically distribute object. Okay, now and go to size. We can use more option. Okay, then go to a very down. Here is a display option, and we can hide distribution object. Okay, so we have only text here. Select this one and move outside. Select real text, right click and hide selection. Okay, now our text look like this. We can use text for material. Okay, select press M, short command for material editor. Okay, and we can also use material editor. Select any material, or then go to a standard value. We have a different type of material here. We can use architectural, or we can use general physical material. Okay, now we have a different options to create a different material here, like matte paint, like this one. Okay, we can simply drag and drop into our text window. Okay, then press render, and we can simply create a render look like this. Okay, we can also use some different type of pattern here, like glossy plastic. Okay, we can use change the color of particular this to different, and look like this. Okay, we can apply, replace, and then press render command, and our object simply look like this. Okay, now what we do next, place our text. Okay, like this, and Control C, create a physical camera. Control C is a short command for creating camera, and we can also use go to a create an option camera and select a physical camera. Okay, but when we select place our perspective view, then we simply press Control C. Our default camera is placed according to perspective view. Okay, now what we do next, when we create a camera, we can also animate a camera for particular moment. Okay, now what we do, select this one and press auto key to create a camera and move 100 frame. We can increase the number of frames, or we can simply use okay orbit camera. Okay, now little bit we can move, look like look at this, and we can also use camera look like this. Okay, now our camera movement is like this, and go to end frame on camera and place it according to. Okay, now our camera simply look like this. Okay, what we do next, auto key on, go select your text cubes and go to a modifier list. We can animate all these things. We can use here at the local transmission. Okay, now what we do, go to a first frame. We can increase the number around 400, and our text moving x and y axis. Okay, then we can animate our camera and go to around 80 frame, and we can use particular this to 0 and 0. Now play it. Okay, it's basic and very simple option to create motion graphics and use of particular cube in 3ds Max. We can also use light option, create a light, and can okay, simply select this one, press W, place W, and okay, go to a render and create a single render, and I can use intensity. Go to select light, go to a option here, and we can use different type of light, like we can use a cool halogen light. Okay, now go to end frame and then place a render. Our object look like this, and we can create a light for particular these things. We can change a light to some region reflect light. Okay, this one good. Go to a render, and here is the option environment, and we can change exposure to auto. Okay, and we can create a such kind of light. Okay, now what we do next is create a range option, create 0 to 100, and place a location. We can use a location to save a file. Now what we do, simply select your location, go to a save render output file, and we can place a render folder and select file format. We can use a PNG file for particular these things. We can easily place background for animating or for motion graphics in other software like After Effects. Okay, then save file and place render. Okay, simply we can use animate render for particular these things. Let's take little bit time, 200 frame output render, and we can also know about our render process. Okay, here is the frame, current frame 44 frame, total frame number 101. It's the last frame, timing is this one 01 second, and it's basically location, how we can save our file, and it's the process to create a file and light, face and other things. Okay, it's a render setting option. We can manage our render setting. Here is the file width and height. We can increase the number of width and height to full HD. Okay, so our file create a full HD. This is current task, image 1 by 1, and this is a total task to create output. Okay, now simple our render is complete, and we can use a save file. Select your location, can use render file, it's a okay, we can save our file, and then select After Effects, Okay, we can place our object 3D image, uh, right click, and here is the import option. Okay, select your location, select one file. Here is the PNG sequence, so we click on a PNG sequence and import. Simply our all file okay, all file is here for PNG sequence, and we can simply use particular this to create animation option. Now press this one, select all, right click, and we can use precomp. Yes. Okay, go to option. Here is the opacity. We can use opacity to minimum, then select this one. Okay, now what we do, we can place particular this to top view, and then go to a scale size and resize this object, okay, according to our view. Go to end frame. Okay, press N to cut particular this thing, and our object look like this. Okay, and basically this is a motion graphics to create particular this object. Okay, we can use this effect with help of 3ds Max, After Effect, and we can easily create a composition like this. Okay, now final what we do, we can use some color corrections and some other effects to create more attractive. We can also use effect generate, and we can use different types of effects to create more attractive all these things. We can also use color correction. Go to and select here is the option. You can use change color. We can also use curve, maintaining all these things to different pattern. Okay, like this. You can also use color tint and glow and level. We have lots of options to create a different types of style, and we can easily create all these things. Okay, we can use hue and saturation to create a different types of effect and different type of color to creating all these things to like this and like this. We can use easily, manage all colors, and create some different type of effects. Okay, okay, now I hope you guys are understand how to create a box, how to create add text in 3ds Max, how to render output for particular this text, and how to compose it text in After Effects and create a motion graphics.